So it's been a long and hectic day here at this treehouse I'm currently staying at. Let's see if we can see that. This is the Hudnall's hideout, and I'm making a video here. I'm taking loads of photos here and just generally working here. Just look at these trees behind me, look at this. Actually, listen. It's just a beautiful place, and I'm very happy to be here again shooting. And it suddenly occurred to me while I was making this video today that a few videos ago I flat out lied to you guys about making a second channel. I've actually decided I'm not going to do a second channel. So I think I'm going to use this video to clarify what I meant when I said I wasn't going to make a second channel, because I have a second channel. Actually, before we get down, look at this bath. That's cool, right? Outdoor copper roll top bath. It's pretty cool. What I meant was I'm going to put all my, photography and Instagram into one, but I have made a second channel. I've called it Amazing Stays, and it's just me touring places like this treehouse behind, showing you around, because I photograph these often. So if you're interested in that second channel, Amazing Stays, check it out. But anyway, I need to eat something now, and it turns out I can't, it says here that I can't use my pre-made pizza in the pizza oven, which is a shame. So I need to find a way to cook that, and I don't think I can cook a pizza on fire. I think I know how I'm going to do it. When I say pizza, I mean one of these like factory-built pizzas. So what my plan is, I'm going to calzone this pizza and fold it on itself. I'm going to wrap it in tin foil. I'm going to put that in the bonfire because I think that that will cook it, I presume. So what do we reckon? It's going to cook on a campfire? We're actually going to do some photography in a minute. All these lights, I don't know if you can quite see them there, all these lights are about to come on, and I need to sort of get some night shots of this eating area, looking up at the treehouse. There's another bit up there that I need to photograph. But while that's cooking, I'm going to sort of move that around as we go. While that's cooking, I just want to say hi to the people who have hit the subscribe button recently. I gained quite a lot in a short space of time recently because I've been posting loads of videos. And whenever that happens, I always just want to say hi, thanks for hitting the subscribe button, and also introduce yourself in the comments. This channel is a little bit of a community. I like to think of it that way. So if you feel like you're someone who is invested in or getting a lot out of my videos, we do quite a lot of different stuff. So, I just wanted to say hi, thanks for hitting that button, and say hi in the comments so I can say hi back. Anyway, let's check this pizza. So all these beautiful twinkly lights have just come on, so it's probably time for us to take our photo in a minute. You can already see from this video the kind of vibes that I'm going to be going for. I need to just wait for the sky to just darken a little bit so that the contrast between the sky light source and this light source is just a little bit closer together, and then we should be able to get some banging shots, and that might actually be working. Looks good to me. So that is how you cook a pizza on a campfire, I guess. Tastes good. It's difficult to know. There is chicken on this pizza, but it was pretty hot for quite a long time. So anyway, we're going to get some photos. I'll eat this, then we'll get some photos. What what I've done is I've moved the seats from the table here to around the campfire. It's going to be a very difficult photograph to kind of document because the tripod's over there in the dark, but I'm just going to crank the ISO on this camera and just see how much this thing has got. Oh my god, it's like a night vision camera. So I got the shot, I'm shooting that way. It's probably really bright for you guys. Yeah, it's not that bright in real life. So I'm shooting that way, and I've got a shot that is, it's on the tripod, 4-second shot, f2.8, ISO 250, and I've actually let the fire die back a little bit just so that it's not too bright, and then we're going to probably stoke it up a little bit to get it looking a bit more realistic. Got it on the tripod, and we're going to do a 2-second timer so that I don't shake the camera. Okay, so I don't bore you too much. What I'm going to do, I'm going to basically take loads of shots with those settings, different compositions, whichever ones work out, I'll just throw them up on the screen. So I've been shooting since about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's now 10 o'clock at night, so I'm just gonna fire up these marshmallows that I've found. I'm shooting at 20,000 ISO, so I have no idea what this looks like. On the screen it looks okay, but on your screen it probably doesn't look quite as good. Looks amazing, doesn't it? Treehouse at night, it looks wonderful. We're going to wake up at 5:30 tomorrow. That's when the sun comes up. I want to be ready to catch any light that comes from this way. So you probably caught a bit of the video of the sun going down kind of over that way. Tomorrow it's coming up over there, so it's going to get a completely different light in this area. So that's going to be pretty interesting to see. So it's the next morning here at Hudnall's. I was up nice and early this morning. I wanted to catch some shots from the opposite side. So if you did want to see a full tour of this place, the Hudnall's Hideout, that will be coming soon on that second channel, Amazing Stays. I'll leave the link to that video up on the screen, but it won't be done quite yet. So right now, I'll link to a different video in the description and up on the screen. Thanks loads for coming along. I hope this was a bit of fun, bit of interesting, and I hope you learned something about cooking pizzas on a campfire. I'll see you in the next one.